So hey guys, Samsung is just not stopping to launch new smartphones worldwide, and again two new smartphones have been spotted on two certifications, which indicates that the launch of these two phones is nearly launching very soon. The devices are the Galaxy A54 and A34. While it will be some time until Samsung officially unveils the phone, leaks and rumors have given us a good sense of what it may offer. In January, Samsung fueled anticipation with a teaser of the launch of a new A-series device. However, the A14 and A23 phones rather than the A54 were the ones whose unveiling was highlighted. This certification has been spotted by Mukul Sharma. One is the Galaxy A34 and other is the Galaxy A54. Both have been spotted on TKDN certification, which is for Indonesia, and BIS certification. So expect Samsung's idea to launch both smartphones in both markets. Although not much is known about the Galaxy A54, the FCC has already revealed specific facts. The A54's battery capacity is almost likely to be at least 5000 mAh, and the FCC filing revealed it could be charged using a 25-watt USB-C charger. The Galaxy A54 is likely to have a similar design as the S23, but with a notable difference. It will have a flat display with a chin and an IP67 dust and water resistant rating. The most visible difference is the back camera configuration, which might contain 3 separate sensors instead of the A53's big module. The Galaxy A54 might be available in additional colors such as purple and neon. Additionally, we may see Samsung taking inspiration from the latest S23 series and bringing upgrades to the Galaxy A54 that were lacking in previous models. Samsung might replace the 64-megapixel main camera on the Galaxy A53 with a 50-megapixel sensor on the A54. Although the resolution is lower, the new 50-megapixel sensor is expected to provide better results in low light conditions and provide a more dynamic range. It will be good to keep a watch on the updates regarding the next release of the Samsung, as it is scheduled to be released soon. This is everything I know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A54. With the Galaxy A53 already a hit in the mid-range segment, the A54 is likely to offer much more at the similar cost. So what do you think about this Galaxy A54? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.